I'm Chris, yeah. So I basically worked on a small Who Am I app with the theme of Game of Thrones. So it's using mainly just the face APIs. So basically the flow of the application is it will detect the user's face that they upload, and then it will check whether they're a male or female, and then it will get back the characters which are of that gender, detect their faces as well. And then using the face verify, it checks to see which face is the most similar. And I'll give you a little demo of that now. So you can see on the left is the image that I had uploaded before, and the one that's comparing against on the right. So that's quite good, 68% similar. So now I'll show you some actual images that aren't the real person. So if I go back up. So I'll put in some interesting ones I was playing around with. Let's go for Boris Johnson. That's fine. I mean, you can kind of see it if you really stretch your imagination a bit. It's only 22% similar, but it's sorting the most similar. So that's what you get with that. And let's go for Donald Trump. Seems about right, even though it's 16%. So yeah, that's the basic application. These are the characters that it's comparing against at the moment. I have to actually basically create my own data set of characters to store against, and I've got to post the images somewhere. So I'm a bit limited at the moment with all the characters. Just some of the problems and further improvements I'd like to make. The Face API, when it's free, has a limit of 20 calls per minute, but I have to make at least 5 calls for the male actors to verify against each of the images. So it eats up quite a lot of that. And I also have to detect all the faces for the characters, so I'm limited to a maximum of 5 to 10 characters at the moment. So ideally that needs to be stored in a database because the face IDs expire every 24 hours. So that would be the next thing to do. And also to use the computer vision API to get a bit more accurate sorting, so you can check whether someone's got a beard, see if another person's got a beard, and you can do a bit of filtering before to save on API calls. But that's pretty much everything. Thanks.